guys, Running Kimono here. So before we talk about the preview for the 8th to the 14th, we're going to talk really quickly about My Walgreens, which is the new program that will be starting at Walgreens very shortly. So you can sign up, which is to transfer your old balance rewards to this new system called My Walgreens. And it's very, very similar of one program to the other. I think next week in store, when you scan your card, you'll have the option to do it in store if you're not tech savvy to do this online. Now, looking at the save money aspect, if you look where the arrow is, it says new rewards equal to the same value as points, meaning your balance rewards points is going to be the same as Walgreens cash. So it's going to be identical program A to program B, with the exception that beauty is no longer part of this, which was the old one, which was to spend $50 on beauty merchandise and to get 5,000 points along with the beauty event, but they're supposed to have something to replace it. So, if you want to wait on this, you don't have to do this till the end of January. But I think next week in store, if you are not tech savvy, they'll give you the option to do the transfer in store to sign up for My Walgreens. So either way, but it's very identical with the exception that Beauty Club is gone. So I know a lot of people were really up in arms thinking that this was the end, but they still have a ton of deals even in this week's flyer. So I think the deals are just revving up to get even better. Okay, and if you love Halloween, well, Halloween merchandise hit 90% yesterday, which is the 5th. Typically, how Walgreens does this is between Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it'll be on 90%. And then sometime on Saturday or Sunday, managers will do a clean sweep, grab all of the Halloween stuff, box it off, send it off to head office, where it then gets sold to people who are bidders that buy, items from closeouts or liquidation, and then the retail arbitrage sort of thing. So if you want to go look around, do it before Saturday, because I think this stuff will be gone sooner than later because they want that room for their Christmas displays. You could take a second to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. I would really appreciate it. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm and the channel. Thank you so much in advance, guys. So as stated, this preview is for the week of the 8th to the 14th. So all of these deals will be starting on Sunday the 8th. There's a lot of great little deals in here, and as the week progresses, if more stuff should show up, I will absolutely make more subsequent videos so you guys can get in on those amazing deals. The first one is the gifts of the week. So highlighted Christmas items are slashed at exactly 50% off. And so this week it is the Ferrero Rocher, or the Rocher balls. They have that delicious hazelnut filling. So amazing. Between $3.15 to $6.49. And then we have some kids' toys at 50% off, so $9.99 for that amazing dinosaur. And then the Soap and Glory kit that's usually closer to $40 is $19.99. I think I might have to grab one of those just to test it out to make sure it's okay. No, I love Soap and Glory. It is a top-notch skincare line. Okay, guys, so 5 off of 3 digital coupon showing up on Sunday. $4 register reward when you spend 7, and then the next slide says $4 register reward when you buy 3. That's kind of confusing. We can have these Oral-B toothbrushes, so it's going to be the mouth rinse, the toothbrushes, and the paste. So pick your choice. This was on IBOTTA last week, $1 back when you buy one of these Oral-B's. So if it shows up, this would be definitely the item to grab. Or, toothbrushes are rarely, barely free. This is what I would grab personally. Grabbing 3 of them, that's $9. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, you're left with paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, zeroing it out to free right there. Let's not forget to check IBOTTA to see if there might be some rebates for this. And if you wish to use points to pay this down, go for it. Okay, so now we're going to take a quick look at some paper deals. I'm not sure where you're living, if it's similar to where I'm living, but it seems like people are starting to stock up paper towel, toilet paper, clearing. If you could try and do this earlier in the week, like maybe even try for Sunday, this might be the best way to go. So at least you might be able to score some of these deals. So as you can see, the Viva and Cottonelle are 2 for $11, and there's going to be a 2 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. So that's where the magic is with this deal. So $9 for the two, that's really great. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's a quarter back on the COTTONELLE. So, hey, that's not the worst thing. So looking at the math for this, grabbing two COTTONELLES, that's 11. Subtracting the 2 off a 2 digital coupon, you're left with paying 9 out of pocket. IBOTTA has that quarter rebate. We're looking at $8.75 for the two, or $4.37 per pack. If you wish to use register rewards or points to pay down your balance so you're not really feeling that out of pocket, absolutely go for it. What a great deal. Also in the same family, we have the Bounty Essentials and the Charmin Soft, $4.99. $6 register reward when you buy 4. Why I'm really trying to emphasize to do this deal, guys, is because I've noticed like weird toilet paper purchasing. Like people are going really hard, especially here in rural Michigan. So I would try to do both of these deals. And I know some stores limit you 2 paper products per visit per person. So you might have to be respectful of that, or even ask if you can grab 4 of these to do the deal. Maybe show, sometimes they have printouts of the flyers at the store, say, I'd like to do this deal. Is it okay? And if they have a huge stock, maybe they'll say, absolutely. So looking at the math for this, maybe do a variation between the Bounty and Charmin. That's $19.96. Use points, man. That's a lot out of pocket. Getting back a $6 register reward. Before the points, it's $13.96 for the 4, or $3.49 per paper product. Again, if you want to use points or register rewards, go for it. And the coupons from the November P&G expire on Saturday, so we can't use those very generous quarter coupons. This is another solid deal of buy 3, get 1 for free on this various bingo chart of P&G laundry products. If you want to go with the Tide Liquid Tide Pods, grab 4 of them. Remember, one of them is going to be for free, so the math is a little bit goofy here on this next slide. So grabbing 4 of them, remember you're only paying for 3, that's $14.97. Use 2 $2 coupons for the pods and the liquid from the November P&G, subtracting $4 right there. And there was also $2 digitals floating around, so obviously one of those will come off. You're left with paying $8.97 for the 4, or $2.24 per product. And if you wish to use some points, absolutely go for it for this one. Okay, so the Swanson's broth is 2 for $1. Now, I know a lot of stores really keep a small amount of this, so if you can't find it over at Walgreens, go to Walmart because they're 57 cents. Just a little bit of food for thought there. And then we have this 50 center found in this weekend's Smart Source. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $1. Subtracting 2 50-cent coupons from your Smart Source of November the 8th, that subtracts the $1. It's basically for free. Does IBOTTA still have that rebate, $1 back when you buy 2? Yes or no? And again, guys, if you cannot find this, head over to Walmart. They're 57 cents each, so it'll be 7 cents per can. And you know, for Thanksgiving dinner, if you need this for your turkey, I mean, nothing beats broth this inexpensive. And this might be a time to really stock up on this canned broth. Like, what a great price point. Okay, so now we have the Febreze 2 for $6. There's a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that'll drop it down to 3 for $2, or $1.50 per product. I would absolutely go for that fabric spray because it's always really, really expensive. So for $1.50, that's a great price point. Again, looking at the math, 2 for $6, subtracting a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, you're left with paying 3 for $2, or $1.50 per product. If you wish to use points or a register reward to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, now we're going to talk about some honorable mentions. So this is really kind of interesting. 2 for $10, and then you get a free Aqua Panna water. So these pizzas are usually $6.99. So there's some significant savings right there. You know, if you want to stock up your pantry or your freezer with some pizzas, nice water too. And then the Revlon Almay, buy one, get one 50% off with a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Unfortunately, no manufacturer coupons for this guy at this time, but there might be some digital coupons starting on Sunday morning, and we'll have to wait and see what they are. As you can see, it says additional savings for you. So we'll have to wait and see on Sunday what that's all about. And then a $10 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2 of these gift cards. So sometimes you can get like 2 Domino's gift cards and then get that Walgreens gift card. So that's really nice. We'll have to wait and see how that one plays out on Sunday morning. And lots of baking items too are on a buy one, get one 50% off. And the nice brand is actually the Walgreens brand. So for a lot of this stuff, if you want to just stock up your pantry with certain items, I'm not sure if you're like me, but sometimes, you're making cookies and then you're like, oh, I'm out of baking powder, It's just a really great place to buy everything, like a one-stop shop. And then while we're still talking about baking, the fudge brownies, Betty Crocker, that good stuff, $1 a piece. I mean, it's a great price point, like to pay $1 for that. And, Betty Crocker, really great company as well. I don't know if it's similar to where you live. If you have a Meijer, usually whenever the baking items are $1 a piece the first day, they're all gone. But sometimes at Walgreens, they're still on the shelf as the week progresses. So this might be an opportunity to stock up your pantry. Okay, with the sodas, buy 2, get 1 for free on the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, that good stuff. And then 3 for $9.99 with the 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, and W. So great price points on soda. And the Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $8, so that's $4 a pack. It says the original price point is $4.99, but in most grocery stores, I think it's closer to $6 for this brand. This is also part of the Fetch Rewards gallery, so photograph your receipts. Actually, photograph all your receipts from this shopping haul to the Fetch Rewards app for extra points. And we're looking at 64 ounces of Mott's apple juice for 2 for $5. That's a really great price point. And I also noticed in the Rite Aid flyer, they have an identical deal of 2 for $5 for the Mott's. So that's a really, really good price point for apple juice. And we have the Coffee Mate 2 for $4. This is a flyer coupon, so you can load it digitally starting on Sunday. So you get your coffee creamer for $2 each. That's a really great price point. And we have the Walgreens brand for 99 cents for the plates, aluminum foil. Again, this is another flyer coupon, so you can load it digitally starting on Sunday morning. Some nice kids' toys for $9.99 if you need to grab a couple stocking stuffers, register rewards, points, that sort of stuff. Do Christmas on a budget. This looks kind of interesting to me. A buy one, get one 50% off. A nice holiday candy. Peppermint snowballs. I'm curious what that's all about. So I might have to buy one just to try it. But how nice does this look? As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.